Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be cleaning my PS4 off. So it's very dirty. So first I'm going to turn it off so I can unplug it. So I have to wait at least 30 seconds before unplugging it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm just gonna wait a couple more seconds. Okay, now I'm going to unplug it. So, unplug this. So it's now one just looking PS4. So we're going to be cleaning it off. Hello. Oh, I'm going to get my stand. So here's the PS4. As you can see, it's a little dirty. You know, you probably can't really see it, but it is dirty. So we're going to be cleaning it off. Trying to put a stand. Hold on. Let me just. Okay. Trying to set it up. Okay. We got Clorox, right? It is very dirty. It's very dusty. So let's clean it off with the Clorox, right? Let's rub it. Look at all that. That is on PS4. I am right now cleaning it off. So we need another Clorox, right? Wipe for this. So let's clean off like the sides because it's very dusty and dirty. And that's like the part. So let's do it. Get that. All of that. We're gonna make it like it's a brand new PS4, kind of. It's still dust on it. We'll clean that off later. Let's do the sides. Like this side now. Let's turn it. It is very dirty, dusty. It's just so dirty and dusty. And that is PS4 like for 4 years. Look at that. Ew. I had this PS4 for like 4 years or so. And it's very dusty. One reason why I'm not going to put it in the water because it's going to break. It's very dusty It'll take a while, I guess, because right now it is very dusty. Literally so dusty. Trying to clean off it. So we're gonna leave that. So right now it looks like this, you can't really see the dust. And this part, it looks clean. Now we have to do this part, which is very dusty. So let's get right onto it. I am going to cleaning it. It already looks brand new just by this. Oh. So now I just need to clean this side. Oh, that's a lot of and what? Okay, so we're cleaning it off now. Okay. Come on. So, right now, let's put that on the side. This is what I can really do right now, because it's still like, I don't know, it's like clean, but okay. So now we're gonna get another one, and this is why we're gonna have to do